fighter. And he goes well to the body.
Puts forth.
Both guys trying to land. Yeah, but coming forward, he sees something that he can take advantage of.
One of the thrilling. Put him in the weight room, you can make him a receiver, a tight end. Who knows?
No, he's got that wide.
Very graceful.
Won a unanimous decision, scored a second-round knockdown. The clean row, and Zurdo had to stand up to it. Straight left.
Off the mark with that uppercut.
Have somewhat parallel backstories. Both have 2010. He was a member.
And lost that considerable exposure in America. Just don't know anything about him. People were scouting.
Second half of his fight with Ramirez. The punch that he said he wanted to land is double right hand. You know, he has his hands high right now.
Strong right hook. There goes the right uppercut.
There's the right uppercut that's missed. And now Zurdo played.
He really is. He got his high guard up. He knows what he's doing.
The good life. He's going to play in field level access for Alabama spring when he fights for the welterweight title against Jeff Horn at Madison.
Fire with fire. It's
Head came in to the left eye of Zurdo. This fight was ever stopped due to
his hands when he gets in close quarters. Right now,
as he backs up Habib.
because guess what? He's volume. Not working.
Undiscouraged.
Reference to some of the defensive deficiencies
in volume. Stuff to deal with.
Let's get a check in with Bernardo.
Of power. They've got no issues with the cut. They've got it under control.
Nice body shot.
One of the
he can,
and so far it's a pretty good bet.
Distance doing exactly what he needs to do.
Trying to get a counter one position to WBO. That list, perhaps no through the years of the greatest Zuma Nelson. And Ramirez is now having his way.
You can see the experience of Ramirez take Ramirez's offense.
Body work has to keep him off of him with something. As he walks.
All that movement and not doing any punching.
There's another right hook at the end of it.
All that movement and not doing any punching.
I agree.
He said he had plan A.
That has evaporated.
We're on to C.
He closed things here. Body shot. We will fight to the. He is taking punishment. Spoke to the corner of a close in again. There's that right.
It's the beauty about Ramirez.
Treat. He hasn't had it for some time.
Devils clean punches in.
Again, headshot at and Habib Ahmed's corner has seen enough.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner by knockout victory, Zurdo Ramirez.